Hey, it's Davey Saucy, and in this video, I'll be giving you 5 tips on how to make money during quarantine. But before that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Before we get into it, the first two is long term. Coming in at tip number 5 is inventing. This is probably the hardest thing to do on this list. You have to come up with a product that will make life easier and that hasn't been made yet. I tried coming up with something before, but I will get stuck at the start. However, if you actually put your mind to it, you can make something great. If you do come up with something, then you are set. First, you need how much it costs you to make your product, including electricity. Multiply this cost either by 2 or 3. Then you need some marketing. You can make a website using Wix.com and promote your product. You can also make a social media for it. Lastly, persuade people on why to buy from you and make deals. The world works by money, so make your product on sale. People are programmed by birth to get the cheapest item they can get. If they see that your item's on sale or is a 2-for-1, it attracts customers. Yes, it attracts crowds. There is your income. Alright, coming in at tip number 4 is investing. You can invest in currency such as Bitcoin or invest in stocks. Stocks is much better right now though. Stocks are basically small parts of a company that you can buy and own. When you buy these stocks, you own a small part. Once the company starts to rise, the stock increases in value. In the future, you can sell these stocks for thousands of dollars. Although this is long term, it is a great way to make money.
He ain't nothing but a broke boy.
Coming in at tip number 3 is surveys. This method only makes you a small amount of cash, but it's still money. There are millions of websites that pays to take surveys. Some websites are swagbucks and feature points that reward you to answer surveys. It is quick and an easy way to make some money. Coming in at tip number 2 is entertainment. You can be an artist, photographer, musician, editor, or video influencer. Many more, of course. All these forms of entertainment can make you money. If your work is good enough, it will bring attention to crowds. Crowds produce money either by direct buying or advertisements. Coming in at tip number 1 is helping people. One easy way to do so is delivering food to people. You can use DoorDash, Postmates, or Uber Eats to sign up. People can make $800 a week, which is pretty good. You can pay some bills and get some food on the table. This could be pretty hard if you don't have a car, but at the same time, you're helping people for money. With this work, you will always feel proud and get that cash.
Yo, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you guys found these ways to make money very interesting, and my prayers go out to all of you. Stay safe and peace out.